My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Google Antigravity login and show you are not ineligible and you are stuck on the login page. So guys, first of all, open Google Antigravity. Okay, so Google Antigravity is a genetic development platform allow you to anyone to build the agent first era. So guys, first of all, you try to log in with the Google account. Please avoid Apple account, Yahoo account and the Microsoft account. Okay. Second thing is guys, you try to use the latest version of your system. Like if you are using the Mac user, so guys, first of all you go here and guys go for the option of here about this Mac, and guys if any update is available, so guys kindly install it. First thing. Second thing is guys, please don't, if you are using it for personal use, so guys you use the personal account, don't use the organization account. If you are using the organization account, so it shows the same issue again and again. Okay. Second thing is guys, doing some bad activities, some illegal activities, and someone try to use the extra tokens, and if you find suspect, then Google ban is not working and you're facing the application. So guys, you also try to change the model and you try to force close your application. For force close, simply go for Apple, then guys go for the force quit, and here you simply choose your application and click the option of force quit. Okay. And guys, make some free space. Sometimes the application need some space and you are unable to get, so that's why it's creating such type of issues. Last thing is guys, you check the status server. For status, simply search Gemini server status. Okay, just go here and check during the login time, there is a no down and the outage. So guys, here you see on 21 there is a full outage, infrastructure outage, and here you can that currently no issue and it is working properly. And guys, here is your Google AI Studio Code multi-model lives. Okay, it shows the past incident. So this is the way that you can then. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.